Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tabsheer Tech and Reviews. So in today's video, let's see how to cancel mandates or autopay using your iMobile app. This is specifically for ICICI users. So if you have created mandates or autopay using internet banking or debit card, let's see how to cancel that. That's what we'll be seeing in today's video. So before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, let's get started and see how to cancel the mandates. So first of all, you need to log into your iMobile app. So you need to enter the PIN or Face ID and log into your iMobile app. So this is the first screen that you'll see. From here, what you need to do is so you need to click on services. So once you click, you'll see all this menu showing up. So these are the menus that will come up here. If you see on the fourth row, there is manage mandates. Click on that. The drop down will get expanded, and here you'll see ECS and NACH mandates cancellation and also auto debit mandate cancellation. This is where you need to manage all the mandates what you have created. So first let's see ECS and NACH mandates. These are internet banking mandates that you have created or autopay that you have created using your internet banking. Mainly these are used for loan purpose. So when creating loan, this is where all the mandates get created. So it's called ECS or NACH. So once you click, it will load. It will take a little time to load, and this you need to do in the working hours only. So here on the screen, you need to select the account and click on next. So this will bring up all the mandates that you have created using your ICICI internet banking. So you can see there are multiple mandates that I've created. So you can select one or multiple mandates that you want to cancel. So if you want to cancel altogether, just select all and then click on next. So if you want to cancel only one, then you can uncheck all the remaining one and just select the one that you want to cancel. So here I'll select the second one. So this is the one which I want to cancel, the one from HDFC. I've created a mandate of 1 lakh rupees. So this is what I'll be cancelling. So just select that, and once selected, just scroll down and click the next button. Here you'll have to confirm again by clicking the checkbox and then click the next button. So when you click the next button, it will take you to the pre-confirmation page. Here you can verify everything what you're trying to cancel, and then accordingly press the submit button. So I don't want to cancel this for now. I need to verify if it's required or not. So once you click on submit, there would be one more round of verification using a debit card, and you'll have to do all this cancellation stuff during the work hours only. So that is between 9 to 5:30 p.m. So that's when you can successfully do the cancellation. Here you'll have to select the debit card from the drop down and provide the code that is behind your physical debit card. Each letter has a number behind your debit card. You need to enter that and then confirm. So once confirmed, request would be raised in the system. So now let's see how to cancel the autopay that you have created using your debit card. You'll have to click on auto debit mandate cancellation. Once clicked, it should load a new page. So on this page, you'll have to select the bank account with which you have created the autopay using the debit card. So on the drop down, I select the bank account, click on next. Then it will bring up the screen. You will see both active and cancelled mandates. If you want, you can check what are the cancelled mandates that you have done. Whatever cancellation you have done, that will be shown up here. I have not done any. So let's check all the active mandates. Click on active mandates and click on next. Here you'll have to select the auto pay that you have created. There are two actually. One is Bajaj Finance, the other one is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. So you can choose any and click on next. And here you'll get three options: mandate details, transaction details, and cancel mandates. So if you want to confirm when was the last transaction that was done, that will be shown here. If you see none, then you can cancel it as well. So right now it's beyond 5:30, so the service is not available now. So between 9 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. you can do this. You can directly cancel the mandates from here for both the net banking ECH and NACH, the net banking auto pay mandates what you have created. and also the debit card mandates or auto pay that you have created. Both can be managed here. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's a quick video which I want to do. So hope this was useful. Let me know if it was useful or not in the comments. If you like the video, please do the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So that's all in today's video, guys. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.